Hello YouTube family, thanks for coming back to my channel, All Things Eno. Today we're going to be cooking Mexican rice. So delicious, my kids love it and my family loves it when I make it. And this is my unique version of making Mexican rice. It goes well with all kinds of meats or veggies that you're going to be serving. And I promise it's quick and easy and hope you enjoy. Well, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be browning our rice. You want to get it until it's just stir it while it's in the oil, and we're using 1/4 cup canola oil. You're going to stir it every once in a while until the rice is a golden color. You don't want to burn it, so you gotta kind of keep an eye on it. So this is what keeps our rice separated and gives it that special texture. These are the other ingredients we're going to be using. I'm going to be using the Better Than Bouillon, which will replace the little square ones that I normally use. Those square ones are these, but I've been using the Better Than Bouillon because it's actually like from chicken stock and actually has really good flavor. So if you're looking for a substitute for the cubitos de pollo, you can use this thing, Better Than Bouillon, and I think it's just 1 teaspoon for one of these little cubes. And the other thing we're going to be using is our tomato sauce. You can use fresh tomato puree, but they're not in season, so I just use the tomato sauce in the can. This little packet for color, I add this at the end. And here I have chopped up some red onions and also my cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, use parsley or any other fresh herb that you like. But cilantro goes really well with this dish. Now that our rice has been getting nice and golden, we are going to add our red onion. We're going to give this a quick stir. This is the color of the rice. And we're also going to add our sauce. And very important tip, guys, I have my heat on medium this whole time. You don't want a high heat because that's how things will cook way too much and they will burn. So keep your heat on medium and you'll be okay. So I'm going to dissolve my Better Than Bouillon. It says here 1 teaspoon is equal to 1 bouillon cube. So I'm going to take 1 bouillon cube, dissolve it in the water. And we're going to add this. I put 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add 1 more because I did 3 cups of rice. And I'm using Jasmine Rice. Yeah, we need to add 1 more cup of water. You also want to taste it for salt. Because it might need some salt, even though you did add the bouillon. Yeah, I need some salt. I'll put about a teaspoon of salt. And the cilantro at the end. Before we put the lid, we are going to put in our sazon Goya. I just like the rice to be a really deep orange color, so that's why I add the sazon Goya. It's mainly for the color. It really doesn't have that much flavor, but it'll give our rice a really nice color. So I'm excited for this. So we'll put that, and then we will cover it. If you don't want to use sazon Goya, you don't have to. But I like to use it, so do how you want to cook. Okay, the moment of truth, you guys. It's been about 25 minutes. We're going to take a look at this rice. I'm going to stir it. Wow, I really wish I could like serve you some of this deliciousness, because it's really yummy and golden colored. So we're just gonna give it a quick stir. This is all done, you guys. It's nice and fluffy. You can see it's separated. Ooh, that steam is fogging up the camera. Okay, sorry. We're gonna turn off. I'm gonna turn it off. And usually what I'll do is I'll just let it rest like that with the lid open. And I'll remove it like from the burner where it's been on. Like this burner. Set it over here so it stops cooking, and we'll just let it cool off a little bit, and then we'll dig in. Looks so good. Here's a close-up. See, the rice is not soggy, it's not all clumped up. It's just nice and separated. So here's an idea of how you can serve the Mexican rice for a complete meal. I have some rice, a piece of avocado, and some chicken taquitos. So I'm so ready to eat this, you guys. So thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this cooking video, and I hope you have fun and make this for your family as well. Bye.
Son como